you can easily replace the battery, Wi-Fi module, RAM, or the M.2 SSD. This is really nice if you already have hardware you'd like to put in a bare-bones Librem 14 order, or if you want to upgrade the hardware in your current Librem 14. To start the disassembly, make sure your Librem 14 is powered off and unplugged. Carefully remove all the screws along the outside. Use a pick or spudger along the edge to pop off the back cover. With the back removed, you can easily replace the battery by disconnecting it here, then unscrewing its 3 different mount points. The Wi-Fi module can be replaced by disconnecting the antenna and unscrewing it. RAM pops right out when you pull these 2 tabs apart. The M.2 SSD can be unscrewed and swapped without fuss. Reassembly is just as easy. Attach the devices and battery. Snap on the back plate and screw it down along the edges. Order your own repairable Librem device at puri.sm.